The future of food is changing fast. With a growing population and increasing pressure on natural resources, scientists and innovators are finding new ways to produce food sustainably. From lab-grown meat to high-tech urban farming, these breakthroughs could reshape the way we eat. Let's dive into the exciting world of future food trends. What if your burger didn't come from a farm, but from a lab? Lab-grown meat, also known as cultivated meat, is produced by growing real animal cells without the need to raise or slaughter livestock. This revolutionary process could reduce greenhouse gas emissions by up to 90% compared to traditional meat production. Big players like Upside Foods, Mosa Meat, and Eat Just are leading the way, creating everything from lab-grown chicken to beef. But there's still a challenge: cost. While prices are dropping, widespread adoption will take time. Beyond lab-grown meat, alternative proteins like pea-based burgers, insect protein, and even algae-based foods are gaining traction. Companies like Beyond Meat and Impossible Foods are making plant-based alternatives almost indistinguishable from real meat. Imagine getting fresh produce all year round, right in the middle of the city. Vertical farming is redefining agriculture by growing crops indoors in stacked layers, using LED lights, climate control, and AI-driven automation. Why is this a game changer? 95% less water, no pesticides, and up to 400 times the yield per square foot compared to traditional farming. Companies like Arrow Farms, Plenty, and Infarm are already producing greens, herbs, and even strawberries in urban environments. Want to grow your own food at home, even without a backyard? Hydroponics and Aquaponics offer simple, sustainable ways to produce fresh veggies right in your kitchen or balcony. Hydroponics uses water instead of soil, delivering nutrients directly to plant roots. Aquaponics takes it a step further, combining fish farming with plant cultivation, where fish waste fertilizes the plants and the plants clean the water for the fish. The way we grow and consume food is evolving faster than ever. From lab-grown meat to AI-powered farms and homegrown hydroponic gardens. These innovations hold the key to a more sustainable and food-secure future. So what do you think? Would you try lab-grown meat or start your own hydroponic garden? Let us know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more insights into the future of food. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.